Most homeowners miss this coverage. Are you one of them? Most homeowners think their insurance covers everything, but the truth is, many miss key protections until it's too late. Stay with me, because missing this could cost you thousands. Homeowners insurance gives peace of mind, but gaps in coverage are more common than you think. Things like water backup, personal property replacement, or detached structures aren't always included in standard policies. That means if something happens, you could be paying out of pocket for damage or loss. Here are a few examples homeowners often overlook. Water backup or sewer damage. Flooded basement? Standard insurance may not cover it. High-value items. Jewelry, art, electronics often need extra protection. Detached structures. Sheds, garages, and fences aren't always fully covered. Natural disasters. Certain events like earthquakes or floods usually require separate policies. Missing coverage can turn a manageable repair into a financial nightmare. Proper coverage ensures that when the unexpected happens, you're protected and your peace of mind stays intact. Review your policy at least once a year. Ask your agent about add-ons or riders for high-value items. Consider a home inventory to track what you own and its replacement value. If this video helped you spot potential gaps in your coverage, like it, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more tips to protect your home and valuables. To make sure your home is fully covered and nothing is missed, call Klinger Insurance Group at 301-428-4935 today. Protect your home before small gaps turn into big problems. Don't wait for a disaster to find out you're underinsured. Stay proactive, stay covered, and enjoy peace of mind in your home.